Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to a new video. Today, I'm going to drive some of the nicest cars with some of the coolest people and show you guys some of my favorite variable ND filters, polarizer filters that I've ever used. And I couldn't think of a better place to do it than Hawaii, going up some winding roads with some Porsches. So come along because this video is going to be nuts. We are up here on this absolutely stunning road, and I want to talk to you guys about some of the best filters that I've ever used, and I've used a lot of different filters. Freewell asked if they could send me these, and I am actually ridiculously impressed with them. Here's why. Check this out. They come with this really cool magnetic thing, and all you take this Cpl filter, slap it on, boom, you've got a Cpl for taking beautiful photos of cars. Here's where it gets a little bit better. You flip this around and it magnetizes that way, and then you've got variable ND filters, 2 to 5 stops. They've got 6 to 9 stops in here, as well as an additional mist filter, which I actually really like, and it's not too misty. Some of them are a little bit too heavy, but these ones are insane. So we're actually going to be doing a giveaway of one of these packs. Freewell is going to send one to you, so make sure to stay a little bit later in the video to figure out how you can win one of these. One thing I can say is this might be one of the top moments in my entire life. Driving the Porsche. I'm breathing heavy. Are you breathing heavy?
I don't know.
We're at elevation like 10,000 meters or something like that. Absolutely stunning up here. Feels like we're on top of the world. Just drove 2 Porsches up here. If you are ever in Hawaii, make sure to check out the Maui exotic car rentals on Turo. Get these things, it absolutely will change your life. Okay, so check out these incredibly versatile Cpl filters and variable ND filters. Firstly, they send you a ring that screws on here. I got an 82 mil ring, and then I used some adapter rings off Amazon to make sure that it fits, because I have a lot of lenses that are 82 mil, and then I just kind of use these rings to make the other lenses work. So from there, it comes with a really cool cap, so that's how it keeps it clean. But let me show you what's in the box. Inside this pack, you have a ton of really cool filters that are super versatile because they flip around. So one that I use the most is the Cpl filter. Woo, it's windy. The Cpl filter, which is incredible, and I've actually noticed a huge difference in the quality of this versus some of my other ones that I've used in the past. Then you can flip it around and you have a 2 to 5 stop variable ND filter. Now what's really cool about this is that it actually uses stops, so they're hard clicks, and you will never go past, and you won't get any of those weird crossings that you sometimes get in the variable ND filters. Now, if you want to use a variable ND filter, you have to put in the VND base, which is these guys here, and they go inside. What's great about that is one of these actually has a mist filter attached to it, which gives you that really cool little haze look. I'll try and get some photos or videos later on to show you guys what that looks like, but they didn't overdo it. They did just the right amount. I think it looks great. You've got an ND32 with a Cpl if you need a lot of light to cut out. And then lastly, you've also got a 6 to 9 stop variable ND. So this one pack covers all the bases for creators like you and me to create the content that we need to. Freewell did not pay me to say any of this. They sent me this pack, and they also offered to give one of you guys a pack. So all you have to do is go to this post on my Instagram. It will have all of the details on how you guys can enter to win one of these, and Freewell will send you guys their versatile magnetic variable ND Cpl pack. This thing is a game changer, and I highly recommend it. Make sure you check it out before this date, because this is when we are going to draw. So you have to follow all the rules over there so that you guys can win, and I hope you do, because these things are amazing. Can't beat it. Cannot beat this. Maybe we can. Wouldn't that be a feat? Let's see if we can beat this experience on the YouTube channel. Wouldn't that be something? Oh, we are driving on rails, boys. Yeah. Ha ha ha! This has probably been one of the best car days in my life. Wow. One thing I do wish though, wish my dad was here. I think that would make it perfect. To share this moment with your dad. Oof. We are on our way to drop off the Porsches, and man, this trip, as you could see, was perfect. If you are ever in Maui, I highly recommend renting these cars from Turo, from Maui's exotic car rental. He's got the two, they're beautiful, they're so much fun, and this has been like a highlight for all of us. We kind of drove these things around all night as long as we could. Final phases of the drop off, you gotta come fill up the car with gas. But what we're noticing here is the paint actually looks really good under the shell lights. Look at all them sparkles. It's beautiful. If I don't own one of these someday, I'll be disappointed. They're great. They're real great. Look at this. Make sure to go check us out on Instagram. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this kind of content, and hopefully you guys will stick around for a little bit more of this. But otherwise, I hope to see you in the next video. Peace.